on our way to pick up the M3. Oh, look at that. Drive safe, people. Drive safe. Oh, yes! Better to give them a lock file than to drive it around. Better to give them a good file, a lock file, they see it, they can fix it. Because I think in low RPM it's a bit rich. Just picked her up. She revs to 8,600 and she sounds amazing. Woo! And she has launch control, which is crazy on a manual. I don't know, I find that to be crazy. But I'm gonna race some people and whoop their asses. Legally, of course. Yeah, baby, I'm so happy. Oh shit. Pothole. Yes! But I'm gonna take it easy for the first few days because I just put the carbon fiber DriveShaft and I don't have any experience with that, so I'm kind of worried, but it does sound meaner. It accelerates a little bit quicker, which is what I wanted, and it's time to go for a joyride and then work. Actually work, then a joyride. Alright, peace!